Yeah, what's up, YouTube? So, you got the error code P0551. Yeah, so did I. So, I'm gonna go underneath the here, show you what I got. P0551. It's actually this piece right here. This is your problem. This is a new one. It's actually the power steering pressure sensor. So, I'm under the front of the car. And let me rotate. Get it better. I'll show you where this bad boy goes. Bear with me. So, there's your catalytic converter right there. Your issue, if you can see it, is right up through there. So it's between the frame, and that is the back of your power steering pump. So just to give you a frame, like reference, catalytic converter is right there. And if you come this way, that is your problem area right there. So let's try to get you a better angle here so you can see. Here's it's right there. See the oil on the tip? Well, this piece here, this piece plugs into that black piece. See the black piece in the back? This piece right here plugs into that piece in the back. So that black piece that's shiny with the two silver dots, that's your problem. Yep. That is it. So, catalytic converter, and then this is just point of reference actually. So, catalytic converter, that's one of your oxygen sensors right there. And then if you look right there, that's your power steering pressure sensor back there. And then this, the reason I know it's bad, you see all the oil on the end of it, on the end of this right here? That needs to be cleaned off, and that bad boy back there needs to be replaced. So we're going to replace it with that part I just showed you. Then I'm going to see if I can get that check engine light to go off. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and I replaced the pressure sensor for the power steering pressure sensor, and the check engine light is off. Started the vehicle, and what do you know? So if this video helped you at all, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Until next time.